Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we will learn Oxford Progressive English for grade 6 unit 5 sights and sounds. Let's see the introduction of this unit and the contents of this unit that we are going to learn in this unit. First of all, we will learn use of infinitive verbs and the senses. Here in this topic we will do revision of the topic the senses that we have learned previously. Then we will learn lesson 1, which is the sounds of the sea. Then we will learn the lesson 2, Sight Savers International. After that we will cover lesson 3, which is a blind man, and then lesson 4, which is an Odyssey. Let's see the first page of this unit, which is about title is given here, sights and sounds, and the subtitle is the senses. We all know that we have total 5 senses. And what are the names of those senses? First is the hearing, second is the sight, third is smell, fourth is taste, and fifth is touch. These are the 5 senses that we have learnt, and these 5 senses are related to our 5 sense organs. Hearing is related to our sense organ ear. Sight sense is related to our sense organ, which is eyes. Smell is related to nose. Taste is related to tongue, and touch is related to our skin. Now the second subtopic that we are going to learn in this unit is infinitive verb. So students, what is an infinitive verb? An infinitive verb is a verb with to. When a verb is used with to in front of it, that is known as infinitive verb. For example, here it is a verb. When we use to with here, it becomes an infinitive verb. Second infinitive verb is to smell, third to taste, fourth is to touch, fifth is to taste, and sixth is to cry, to sleep, to hit, to wash, to clean. These all are the infinitive verbs. So whenever we use to with any verb, it becomes an infinitive verb. I hope you understood the senses, and second subtopic is the infinitive verb. Now we will move towards our writing task, which is given in your textbook on the same page. There is written, make 5 verb sentences by using the model below. Model means sentence structure will be like this. In the brackets there are written infinitive verb, and the second bracket is written noun. So these both we will use, but the structure of the sentence and the words will remain same. For example, in order, these 2 words we will use. Then we will use an infinitive verb, and after that we will use you, use, your, and then noun. Let's make a sentence according to this model. For example, infinitive verb of hearing is to hear. In order to hear, you use your ears. Let me make the second sentence for you too. In order to smell, you use your nose. Third sentence will be like this. In order to see, you use your eyes. In order to taste, you use your tongue. So for the 5 senses, and you will use the names of the sense organs at the end of the sentence, and then you will write these all 5 sentences in your notebooks. Notebooks means your rough copies. So this is your homework that I am assigning you. You have to write the 5 sentences using the same model in your rough copy. I hope you understood the first writing task. Let's move towards the second writing task, which is given in your textbook on the same page number. That is, complete the following sentences twice. Means you have to write these sentences 2 times. First time you will complete these sentences in your textbook, and the second time you will complete these sentences in your notebook. Let me read a purple box given here. The words are written. bicycle bells, rainbow, falling star, goat, onions, kitten, traffic noise, chili, bread baking, salt, a baby crying, plow. Plow is a plow in Urdu commonly we call it हल जो कि ज़मीनों में चलाया जाता है. So let's see the first sentence. In the street I heard. Which words from this box we will use to complete this sentence? Let's see. In the street I heard traffic noise. Write this in your textbook with pencil. Number 2. In the sky he sees a rainbow or a falling star. Both are correct. Both you may write in your textbook. Now the third sentence is, in the kitchen they smell bread baking. Number 4. In the soup we taste salt. On the farm you touched a goat. So write these all sentences, fill these sentences in your textbook. Now the second time you have to complete these sentences again, but in your rough copy. But you are not going to use these words that we have used from the box. You will not use any word from the box, but the words that you will use to complete these sentences, those will be your own words. For example, you can know that in the street I heard. What you heard in the street, you may write. Then in the kitchen what you smell, in the soup what you taste, and on the farm what you touched, you may write in your own words. These blanks you will fill with your own words. That's the second writing task that I am going to assign you. Complete these both tasks. Inshallah, in our next class we will start the lesson 1 of the same unit. Till that, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.